One-pan lemon garlic chicken is a delightful recipe that's perfect for a flavorful yet simple dinner. Begin by gathering your ingredients, which include boneless, skinless chicken breasts, fresh lemon juice, garlic cloves, olive oil, chicken broth, fresh parsley, salt, and pepper. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit 200 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating, season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper on both sides. In a large oven-proof skillet, heat a tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the chicken breasts and sear for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they achieve a golden brown color. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add minced garlic and sauté for about a minute until fragrant. Then, deglaze the pan with chicken broth and lemon juice, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom. Allow the sauce to simmer and reduce slightly for 3 to 4 minutes. Return the chicken breasts to the skillet, spoon some of the sauce over the top, and transfer the skillet to the preheated oven. Bake for 20 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 75 degrees Celsius. Once done, remove the skillet from the oven and allow the chicken to rest for a few minutes. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley before serving. This dish pairs wonderfully with rice, quinoa, or a simple green salad. Enjoy your one-pan lemon garlic chicken, a meal that's as easy to prepare as it is delicious.